Life is the best teacher if we are a good student, and the universe can teach you through anything that you get through in life. You can learn through another people, animals, plants, nature, books, music, dreams, and everything. As long as you pay attention to the essence from everything that you can experience through your senses. Everything that you experience through your senses, you always can learn something through it all, including movie. And today, let's learn from the Matrix movie. In this movie, there are many things that package in one beautiful masterpiece. Every movie is a documentary. I'm pretty sure if you are facing your spiritual awakening, The Matrix is the movie that gonna help you through your spiritual awakening journey. In this episode, I'm gonna share about my reflection about spiritual awakening from The Matrix. Let's go deeper. Hello beautiful soul! Welcome back in this channel. If you're new, I'm Cindyaco. In this channel, you can learn about consciousness, vibration, energy, everything that help you set your soul free and become authentically powerful. In short, you can live impactful life just by being who you really are. Isn't that beautiful? But before it, I'm gonna remind you to subscribe this channel. If you relate to this channel, I would gladly to know you. I would gladly to listen to your journey, because every people and everything are connected. We are all one. Let's go deeper. Actually, every movie has a subliminal message. If you can catch it, then you will learn much from every movie. This movie is the movie you should watch when you enter your spiritual awakening. Let's talk about it. First, we are all living in the Matrix.
What is the Matrix? Control. The Matrix is a computer-generated dream world, built to keep us under control in order to change a human being into this.
If you're conscious enough about life, you're gonna realize that we are living inside the control systems from the belief around us. We're living under others' expectations. Many people living in a mediocre life. Every day just wake up like a routine. Go to work and get paid, and then eat, sleep, wake up and repeat every single day. I'm pretty sure that just by hearing that, you knew that it sounds boring. Especially if you are the one who living like that for a whole life. But I know that deeply inside, when you see another person that have a life that free, just living as who they are and live aligned with their passion, that deeply inside you might feel a desire to do the same. If you clear enough and be honest enough with yourself, then you must know that what you need inside you is something deeper, something meaningful, something that can touch your heart, touch your soul, and contribute something to this world. That's why you always longing to give love and get love. That's the nature of your soul, to feel love and to give love. Your soul is the one who always questioning about meaning, who questioning about the essential, meaningful life, who always looking for something that can fulfill you. Are you really looking for money, or you want to feel safe? Are you really looking for relationship, or you just want to feel loved and give love?
It's the question that brought you here.
Once you are ready enough, the universe or the spirit world will gonna give you the clues that you need to face your own obstacles by yourself. The funny thing about the Matrix is life is a game, which is you are the main character on the movie or on the game they create to help us awaken our soul. In the Matrix, Neo once received a calling
It'll be fun. I promise.
Yeah. Sure. I'll go.
The computer that wakes Neo up is mind. Consciousness or awakening happens in mind but doesn't come from mind, because your mind is limited and your mind cannot comprehend transcendence or something that beyond your mind. But if there is something new or something higher, bigger and beyond your mind capacity, that is come from the higher power that you call God, the universe, the creator. The universe only gives you an enlightenment to help you awake when you are ready. Then the universe will give you the opportunity to waking you up through ways that beyond your expectation. Even though he cannot comprehend what it is, but he follow it, and then the clues lead him into Morpheus, the god of dream.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
At that moment, we can learn about free will, which is Neo should choose to continue his awakening journey, even though it's something new that he never know before, and it's something that unexpected, that should take risk. He should get out from his comfort zone, or the second chance, which is back to his routine as an office worker, that living in a mediocre life, that blindly obey the society rules, living in comfort zone, and back to his old boring life. That shows us that in life we always have a free will. It means you have a choice to choose our own reality. If you feel suffered in this life, that means you have a choice to get up from comfort zone or to keep fall asleep, to keep suffer in life. See, you always have a choice. Number 2, in order to level up and to getting closer with your authentic self, closer to your soul purpose, then you need to sacrifice anything that don't serve your vibration anymore. At that moment, you should learn how to detach, letting go, and surrender. But surrender doesn't mean you just sit and do nothing. Surrender actually means keep doing your best, your responsibility, but you trust your ego to the higher power, because the universe doesn't give you what you want, but the universe gives you what you are. The universe is a mirror. For example, if you want to attract people who are on the same vibration with you, then you must learn how to detach and letting go the people who don't serve your vibration, who don't match or lowering your vibration. You always have an option because you have a free will. That's the part of self-love. If you want to align with your authentic self, be aligned with your true self, then you must learn to trust the process. If you should let go, then let go. If you should detach of any attachment, then detach. Once you let go and detach from anything, you belong to your true self, eternity, the infinite, your true self, your true essence, your subtle energy. That is your true self, your soul, your higher self, who you really are. In the process to align with his true self, with his true purpose, then Neo should sacrifice Trinity, the one that he trusts the most. As your frequency getting higher, you must face your own darkness, and no one can help you. You are the only one who can save yourself.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.
At the end, the one who should face your own darkness is only you. Your spiritual journey is an independent path, seeking for the truth behind any illusion, behind every darkness that he never knew before. And he found that actually the hardest part to face is his own shadow that visualizes when he met the archetype or the creator. It shows that the true darkness is actually inside you, but you can see it until you face another layers and you go deeper and face every bias to help you back to your true self. So your true self is already inside you, and every answer that you are looking for is already inside you. You just need to face everything that blocks you to know your true self. The third lesson, many people are afraid to go to the black hole, but once you know your calling and you align to it, then the universe will send you the guides to help you go through it and facing anything that you should get through in order to find the truth. The key is keep believing in truth, keep paying attention to the higher guides and calling that beyond your mind. People think that hesitation is what makes you difficult, but the truth is hesitation is a door of liberation. Once you brave enough to get through the black hole and face it consciously because you know that you are guided to it, then the higher power, the universe, has your back. You're gonna see that the black hole is only an illusion that blocks you to see something greater behind it. Number 4, if you feel that you are surrounded by negativity, the way out to get out from negativity around you is by unplug yourself. That's what Neo did when he's surrounded by the copies of Agent Smith. He cannot facing everything by himself, so he chose to unplug himself from that situation. Anytime you feel surrounded by uncomfortable circumstance or circle, you can get out from that negativity through raising your vibration before you become one with them. Because if you feel that that's not right for you, then get out from that circle. It's not because you avoid from that mistake, but it's a wisdom to get out from it. When you raise your vibration, the toxicity or the negativity cannot reach you anymore. When Neo should face Agent Smith till the end, even though it seems impossible because Agent Smith can copy himself to many Agent Smith, and even though it seems the dark have power over him, but he never give up even once. That's how life happens. If you want to back to your true self, which is your higher state of yourself, then you must master your lower state, which is the dark night of the soul. You only found the light after you face the dark. You only feel alive after you face the death. And so, in order to become a light worker, you must be a shadow worker. Work on your shadow. 6. The matrix shows the power of belief. Once you know your calling to stay awake, then you must set an intention. Then you must be aligned with it, facing every obstacle in order to find the truth. Once you believe, the signs are everywhere, just like what Neo experienced. Morpheus, Agent Smith, the oracles, Trinity, woman in red, everything and everyone that he should face in order to find the truth are leading him to know his calling, to know himself, see that everything are connected, everything are there to help you, lead you to your soul purpose, to the highest truth. When Neo died and it feels like it was the end of the story, but the true essence of your soul, the true power of oneness, the universe become one with him. He no longer the old him, he embodied the power of the universe. You can see the cross symbol in the ascension part that happened to Neo. You can see light comes from inside him. That is a symbol of oneness after you facing your death. Just like what Jesus did. In this movie, it's not only about Jesus, is not only about Trinity, Christ, spiritual path, but it's also about Buddha, it's also about philosophy, destiny, the slavery of mind, life, death, love, realities, sleep, awake, intention, belief, energy, darkness, light, duality, freedom, kung fu, fighting, and everything. You can learn subliminal message through this movie. I really recommend you. That's all from me from this episode. Thank you for watching. I hope you can learn something through this video. If you have something to be shared to me too, we can discuss together, because I'm really open to a different perspective. I wish you all the best and see you again in my next video. Stay with me, Cindyaco, love and best prayer.